Hey guys, and I'm back with another video. So today's video, I'm just about to show y'all what I got from Chick Fil A. So of course, I got the chicken noodle soup. It's torch, guys. It tastes so good. It's like my daughter say, it's torch. You hear me? It tastes so good. Like, it's delicious. It has the real chicken breast in it. You know, the Chick Fil A chicken nuggets and the Chick Fil A chicken sandwich. It tastes just like that chicken. And you know, I got the cut up carrots and like the peas and everything with the noodles. It's so delicious, guys. With the little crackers, little zesta Keebler crackers, saltine crackers. It's so delicious, guys. So that's all I wanted to show you all. I'm about to crush my little Chick Fil A chicken noodle soup. But yeah, you know, I'll be back, so stay tuned for another lit video. So yeah, please like, share, and subscribe to my video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all on the next one after I crush this chicken noodle soup. But please guys, like, share, and subscribe to my video. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye guys.